Have you ever stopped for a moment and wondered how people in rural areas manage to keep their food cool without electricity? In many villages where power is limited or sometimes unavailable, families rely on something very simple, yet incredibly smart: a clay icebox. At first glance, it may just look like a mud container, nothing special. But if you look closer, you'll see generations of wisdom and a deep understanding of natural science built into this humble structure. This box, this small invention, can keep milk, vegetables, fruits, and even cooked meals fresh, using nothing but clay, water, and air. Today, we're going to take our time and explore every detail, slowly, step by step, so you can understand exactly how this natural cooling system works, why it's so effective, and why villagers have relied on it for centuries. Welcome to Village Mechanics Lab, where we uncover the hidden engineering inside everyday village tools. In this episode, our focus is the clay icebox, a brilliant example of practical physics, clever design, and sustainable living. This technology has survived centuries, not because it's complicated, but because it works, and it works beautifully. We'll explore the science behind it, look at how families maintain it, and see the small secrets that make it more effective, especially during scorching summer days. The clay icebox works through something called evaporative cooling. Have you ever noticed how wet hands feel cooler when the air touches them? That's the same principle. When water evaporates, it takes heat with it. This simple effect is what keeps the inside of the clay box cool. The walls of the box are made from porous clay, sometimes mixed with sand, husk, or a bit of lime. These tiny pores allow water to slowly move through the walls, drop by drop, until it reaches the surface, where it evaporates, pulling heat from the inside. The lid is designed carefully too. It seals tightly to prevent warm air from entering, but it also allows slow evaporation, which adds extra cooling. Every detail matters: the thickness of the walls, the type of clay, the shape of the box, and the lid design all combine to make this natural refrigerator effective. Placement is very important. A shaded spot with gentle airflow helps the cooling effect work even better. Adding a little water to the walls or top helps maintain the cooling process, making the inside temperature drop even more. Inside the clay icebox, families store milk, fruits, vegetables, and cooked food. The cooling effect is steady, silent, and completely natural. Even during very hot days, the process works even stronger because higher temperatures increase evaporation. With simple maintenance, cleaning, adding water occasionally, and keeping it in the shade, the box can last for years, providing reliable cooling without a single watt of electricity. Some families have made slight improvements, like double wall designs, extra sand layers, or slightly airtight lids. These tweaks make cooling more stable and longer lasting. But the core principle remains the same: a clay structure that breathes, that absorbs water and releases coolness slowly, naturally, beautifully. This is a perfect example of how simple, traditional engineering can solve everyday problems efficiently. It's energy-free, eco-friendly, cost-effective, and deeply connected to its environment. The clay icebox shows us that innovation doesn't always require modern technology. Sometimes, the simplest ideas are the smartest. If you place your hand on a working clay fridge, you'll feel the coolness immediately, like touching a cold stone on a hot summer day. No electricity, no noise, no complicated parts, just natural principles and centuries of village knowledge. Even small habits improve its performance. Pre-wetting the walls, inside, small shelves or clay plates allow air to circulate, keeping the temperature even throughout the box. Sometimes, a small bowl of water inside maintains humidity, preventing fruits and vegetables from drying out or losing freshness. During very hot days, the clay icebox can keep vegetables fresh for almost 2 days, and milk can last longer than if it were left out in the open. This simple tool demonstrates how human ingenuity and careful observation of nature can create effective, sustainable solutions. It's a reminder that engineering doesn't always require complicated machines or electricity or modern technology. Sometimes the best solutions are the simplest, and this is exactly what the clay icebox proves. Thank you so much for watching and exploring this amazing natural engineering tool with us. If you enjoyed learning about this energy-free, traditional cooling system, make sure to subscribe to Village Mechanics Lab so you don't miss more amazing insights into village innovations. Also, give this video a like if you found it interesting, and share it with friends, family, or anyone who loves learning about natural science and practical engineering. Your support helps us keep bringing more educational and inspiring content to curious viewers all around the world. Stay curious, stay inspired, and we'll see you in the next video.